Hi everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how to insert worksheets from another workbook. Sometimes you may need to import worksheets from other workbooks. If you copy the worksheet's content and paste it to the current workbook, it loses some formatting styles such as row heights and etc. This tutorial describes some handy ways to insert worksheets from other workbooks quickly without losing data and formatting styles. The move or copy command can help you insert worksheets from another workbook easily. First of all, open all workbooks that you will work with. Then active the workbook containing the worksheet that you will copy. Select the worksheets that you want to copy. You can select multiple worksheets by holding down the Control key or Shift key. Right-click the selected worksheet and click Move or Copy from the Content menu. In the Move or Copy dialog box, select the workbook that you will copy selected worksheets to in the drop-down list. Under the Move Selected Sheets to Book and check the Create a Copy option. Finally, click the OK button. Then you will see the selected worksheets are copied and inserted into the workbook that you specified in the previous step. As you can see, they are copied here. Please note that you must open all workbooks that you will work with, including the workbooks containing needed worksheets and the workbook you will insert the worksheets to. Otherwise, you will not find out the workbook names in the previous step. And also you must check the Create a Copy option in the Move or Copy dialog box. Otherwise, you will move the selected worksheet out of the original workbook. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos. The second trick is the Combine utility of Kutools for Excel. It will simplify your work to insert worksheets from many workbooks without opening all of them. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Combine option. In the popped out Kutools for Excel dialog, click the OK button. In the Combine Worksheets dialog box, you may check one of the combine operations from the options. Here we take the third option, for example, combine multiple worksheets from workbooks into one workbook. Click the Next button. Here you can add workbooks and sheets by clicking the Add button. In the popped out dialog box, select your file and click the Open button. And then you can specify which worksheets you want to insert from the added workbooks in the right box by checking and unchecking them. Also, you can rearrange the order of workbooks and worksheets. By default, all worksheets are selected in the worksheet list. Click the Next button. Here you can rename the worksheet name and specify the separator in the Combine Worksheet Step 3 of 3 dialogs. I enter my separator as hyphen, and also when you encounter a blank worksheet, you can choose to skip or keep it in the drop down box. Finally, click the Finish button, and in the specify the file name and location for the Combined Workbook dialog box. After specifying your file name and location, click the Save button. In the popped up Kutools for Excel dialog, if you want to save the current workbook and worksheet settings as a scenario, click the Yes button, otherwise click the No button. If you click on this link at the top of the table, Microsoft Excel security notice pop-up that will appear. Click the Yes button. and then you will see all the selected worksheets are inserted into the current workbook quickly. The first worksheet, named Kutools for Excel, will be a sheet list, the detailed information of each inserted worksheet, and beside that we have all the other sheets. At the beginning of them, the workbook name is appeared and separated by a hyphen, then the sheet name is appeared, as you can see. Moreover, the utility of combine also can combine worksheets into one worksheet, combine the same name worksheets into one worksheet, and consolidate values across workbooks into one worksheet. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. If you just want to insert a worksheet from another workbook into the current worksheet, you can use Kutools for Excel's Insert File at Cursor utility. Click at the cell you want to place the worksheet content at. Then click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Import and Export drop-down list and click on the Insert File at Cursor command. In the Insert File at Cursor dialog, click Browse to select the workbook you need to insert from. Select your file and click the Open button. Then you can check values only, no formulas. It only inserts this displaying values only. And you can also check the do not transfer formatting options as you need. It will keep the cell format after inserting the worksheet. Click the OK button. Now a dialog pops out for selecting a sheet you need to insert. Select your sheet. Click the OK button. Now the worksheet contents have been inserted into the current workbook, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.